Hello guys! Today we are gonna look at few tips and tricks for POSCA markers. How to prepare marker. Shake it for about 30 seconds. Then press nib until color comes out. Line art tip. First paint your drawing, then do fine lining. Before layering other colors, wait for first layer to dry. You can combine POSCA with other colors. In this video, I am using POSCA and Faber-Castell. Let's compare POSCA with regular alcohol-based marker. Alcohol-based markers gets darker when you add more layers. POSCA markers doesn't get darker when add more layers. You can use POSCA on almost any surface. If you want to make stars on your drawing or similar effect, you can use this. First, you need to press the nib until color comes out. Then start splashing with marker on your drawing. This will make this beautiful effect. You can easily erase any mistake with white marker. If you damage the nib, you can easily replace it or just rotate the other side. These markers are very easy to remove. Just wash your hands. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Don't forget to leave like and to subscribe.